Hey guys, what's up? Josh with the Lake Carpentry. So this is a pocket door system that we're doing with the hollow symmetrics. The doors open and close at the same time. I wanted to show you how we make our doors removable after paint, after drywall. So typically you're gonna have the doors in this kind of situation pre-finished in the pockets, and then you have your trim put in, and then you have your drywall put in, then you put your reglet on, then you have to tape and sand and paint all that. That way your doors are locked in, because this is usually not removable. But we've come up with a system to where we can take the top trim, pop it off to get to the crack system and undo the doors. So now we're able to remove the doors before any of this work happens. So all I have to do is just start to pull this down. Now I can remove my trim, stain grade, paint grade, whatever. Get to my bolts, undo the doors, put them in, put them out, as much as I want. We also have a track system where we can take the track out and put it back in before and after framing or after drywall and paint. So the choices are kind of endless with this situation, but with our system, it won't hold up construction with the drywall guys and the paint guys and us, the door guys. So